Hey guys, welcome to another SWELLEnterprise tutorial. Today we're going to dig into the appointment scheduler. So to get started, go ahead and click on the three dots in the upper right hand corner, or if you shortlisted this to your sidebar, you can navigate to it from there. And let's go to the organization section. Under calendars, you should see the ability to view schedules and create a new schedule. So we'll go ahead and dig into creating a new schedule. What we're doing here is we're defining a schedule that's going to allow the public to essentially book meetings with us. So I can go ahead and give this a title. I can give it a brief description if I choose. And then next it's going to ask me to select what days I'd like the schedule to be available. So let's just assume I'm going to want Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And I'm going to allow the public to book these different slots with us. So let's say 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, etc. So we'll say 1 hour blocks. And I can choose the start time. So I'll say 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Now I also have some customizations that I can make here, such as the custom welcome message. So I'll say, welcome to my schedule. Feel free to book an appointment. Next, I have the option to choose the custom confirmation or thank you message. Thank you. I look forward to seeing you. All right, and once we're done with that, you can go ahead and click on Create New Schedule. And now I see the details of the appointment scheduler here, along with a link that I'm able to share with the public. So if I go ahead and open this in a new tab, let's see what this looks like. I see my new schedule. This would be my company logo. So in your account, you would see your company logo here. I've got my custom welcome message. And now I've got the ability to choose the different days and times that I can set an appointment, in this case with myself. So let's say I want to schedule some time for December 23rd. And I would be interested in looking at 11 a.m. Once I'm done, click on Schedule Appointment, and this would review the details. You can just type in the name, or your contact would type in the name and their email, along with their phone number if they choose to, and then any notes. Once it's done, you'd click on Confirm the Appointment, and an email confirmation will be sent to both parties. So once that's done, you'll see the custom welcome message, and they'll have the ability to add this to their calendar, in addition to the email reminder that they received. So that concludes the tutorial on the appointment scheduler. If you have any questions, feel free to reach us at the bottom of the right-hand chat panel, and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you so much for watching.